What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer Solana from Phantom to Autosnipe.AI. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my partner link from the description to create a new account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discount. So in this case, how do we exactly transfer Solana from Phantom to Autosnipe? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that you are using your Phantom wallet when you log in into Autosnipe.AI. So you can only do deposits or withdrawal via this way. So in this case, go to Autosnipe.ai and you want to go ahead and click on the connect and snipe option at the top right. Now, make sure that the pop-up here is going to be Phantom Wallet. Now, if you have other wallets available in here, I would suggest you to make sure that you go to Manage Extensions and disable any other wallets that you have. So, for example, if you're using MetaMask and MetaMask is the ones popping up here, you want to make sure that you to disable that for now. So, I have Magic Eden as well. I have that disabled, but we are good since Phantom Wallet is the one popping up in here. Let's go ahead and click on Confirm. Now, once we've done that, what we need to do is we want to make sure that we have ample amount in our Phantom wallet. So once you've once you have enough funds here, let's go ahead and click on Sol balance at the top right. Now, by the way, you need to have this in Solana. So make sure that you have enough Solana in your account. So in this case, make sure it's Solana. So if you don't have Solana, you have Ethereum or other crypto here, make sure to swap it first to Solana. But once you've done that, you need to go ahead and fill out some details here. So you need to fill out, and you want to make sure that you're first in deposit. You want to specify the amount that you want to deposit here. So minimum is going to be 0.01. And the priority fee here actually indicates or determines how fast or the chance of your transaction be getting done. So meaning the higher the amount that you specify here on your priority fee here, the more chances your transaction being done. So you don't have to wait for a lot of minutes in order for it to complete. But yeah, so go ahead and click on deposit here to confirm, and you just need to make sure to sign everything that pops up here, and you should be good. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.